Hey, what's happening, guys? Hoping this weather holds out for us. Going to meet NovaR6 for a quick ride up today. So, hopefully we don't get any rain, but anyhow, I'll see you guys here in a few. That Fander dance. Sheriff. I knew the sheriff lived somewhere here. Hi, Sheriff. I need to stop that. Well, we got some pretty thick clouds over that way. Pretty clear over that way, so probably go out and ride country for a bit, maybe take a switch.
I swear, stock on these bikes, you can't hear those bikes.
Got to get a pipe. So different. It's going to take me a minute. Oh, this is so weird. Shifts like butter. Haven't rode a sport bike in quite some time. I mean, this is a big change from my Bandit even. You know, I mean, it's more sporty-ish type, but it's not nowhere near like the riding position such as this. It takes a lot on your wrists. Plus, I'm a bigger guy, so it just feels a little different. Had to get that 100-mile-an-hour out of the way real quick. Quite a bit different, huh?
Yeah.
Does it throw you around? I'll go ahead and let you lead for a minute. Do a wheelie. Yeah. Yeah, I can power wheelie up in third gear. I mean, you gotta try hard, but second, definitely. Work your way up to it, man. A different kind of power wheelie. You got to be in. Use torque. It's a 4-stroke. You got to use the. You got to use it down real low. It's not a powerhouse. You do have to work it a little bit. And coming from a street bike to that is definitely different. So, yeah. That, and I'm gonna guarantee he can tell the difference in the handling. I mean, this just feels nice and tight. You know, my bike's got some vibrations. You know, it's not a street bike. It's a supermoto, so it's a total different feeling. I might try and wheelie it up here. Alright, so I'm in first. Nope. That's what that bike's made to do. I love having 6 gears. See guys, even a guy that can wheelie can't wheelie this R6, so you're already doing better than me. It's just that much different going from somebody else's bike. You know, I respect the other person's property and don't beat on it too much, you know what I mean? Not more than what I would, you know, expect someone else to do with mine, I guess. But Supermoto's a little different. He can drop it, I really don't care. Need to find some corners. Maybe you do have to kick it a little bit. It's different. I tried getting yours up and couldn't.
I can't really get the front end up until about 10,000 first. I don't know. I'm not getting it wrong. Guess I'll turn left.
Okay. $10,000 in first. Oh shit. It's a different animal. Keep those feet on the pegs, man. It's just so buttery smooth and shifting this thing. My God. And every time you think there's, you know, you're in your last gear, you just shift up again. You don't even know it. Two different animals, for sure. It's too easy to go fast. A little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, sounds cool. Am I red? I want a newer bike. Yeah, this thing needs it needs uncorked. Whenever it gets up there in the RPMs, it starts to pull hard. But if he just put a pipe on it, a power commander too. I'm pretty sure this one's fuel injected in 08. if you put a power commander on this thing, it'll wake it up so you can do those wheelies a little bit easier. Pretty sure it's pretty much all stock, but I mean, it's a fun bike. Handles good, brakes good. It's not as bad as I remember, like we were just discussing back there. You know, it's hard on your wrists on a street bike, but you get used to it after a while. And it's only my my left wrist hurts, and that's just from whenever I wrecked in the driveway the other day. So doesn't look to be afraid of it too much. I mean, to be able to continuously go back and forth with it, you know, it's the only way you get better is by trying. So yeah, keep with it. And I must admit, after riding this bike, Supermoto is definitely easier. Again, it's just one of those comfort things in your head. You know, you know this is a much more expensive bike, a lot heavier, you know, it's not forgiving whenever you lay it down. So, yeah, keep that in mind. Plus that one's paid off, so if something happens to it, it's not a big deal. There you go. Just get some air on it. That fits you pretty good, man. You need to find yourself one. Get a Aprilia SXV 550. That way you can beat anybody on a Supermoto. Just be prepared for that maintenance. It's what I wish I was able to get. I mean, they're a definite purpose-built race bike. My number one pick, without a doubt. Well, I said, you know, I'm kind of contradicting myself there, and I just said without a doubt. And I guess it ain't without a doubt. It's, yeah, I would prefer the WR just because of the maintenance and all of that. So, nice. This looks like a pretty nice road. When it comes up, it comes up. You've got to find that comfortable spot. There you go. It's looking good, man. It's looking good. There it is. Just got to keep pulling up longer and longer. Starting to get the hang of it. You can at least get it up, you know, repeatedly over and over. A couple good hits. It's definitely difficult to do. You got to become comfortable with your bike, what you're riding. Yeah, that's that kickstand's a little too long. Another supermoto problem.
Oh man, that's pretty much
Yeah. 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 Cool. Rode it out a little bit. That's why I was just turn, baby, turn. Don't know these roads at all.
That is awesome. I like knowing your bike like this.
That was pretty good. I have no clue where I'm at. It's just like seen a 15-mile-an-hour curve sign, so better slow down, I guess. Set her back down. That was a pretty good ride today. Nova's a pretty cool dude. You guys should definitely check him out. NovaR6. I'll put a link in the description below here, and see if I can figure out some editing. Maybe do something cool like NovaR6 right here, you know. All right. Nope. We're on our way home. It was kind of short ride, just quick meetup, you know. Just got some pretty cool pictures, I think, and pretty nice ride all over. We'll have to get together again sometime, make another cool video. So, all right, man. See ya.